Hey guys, before this video begins, I have some amazing news. We as Dollar Influencer will be doing a massive giveaway on the 26th of November on Black Friday. Yes, you heard that right. You and two other people can stand a chance to win 1,000 Rand on the 26th of November. Do you know how you can stand a chance? It is very simple. All you need to do is like and subscribe and make sure that you go on the comment section and comment something. It does not need to be anything in specific. You could just be talking about how the video helped you. It could literally be anything that you can think of. Just make sure that every single video you comment from now up until the 26th of November, and you could stand a chance to walk away with 1,000 Rand in your pockets. Me and Dollar Influencer will be announcing the winners on the 26th of November. So what are you waiting for? Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe and comment something right now from now to the 26th of November, and you could be the lucky person walking away with 1,000 Rand in your pocket. So let's jump right into the video. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make 450 Rand in 30 minutes in South Africa 2021. But before I begin, my name is Larry and thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and the subscribe button so you are always in tune with Dollar Influencer's new videos. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. In this video I'm literally going to show you guys how to make 1,000 Rand just by typing and copying and pasting, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So make sure you stay up until the end of the video so you know exactly what to do. First thing that you need to do, guys, is that you need to go on google.com. Now after you go on google.com, I want you to type Google News. You should get to this page where it'll literally give you just Google News and everything that is happening around the world. So these are articles, and what you're going to do with these articles is that you're going to copy these articles and you're going to rewrite it in your own way and make money from it on another website. So what I want you to do is that I want you to scroll down, and you can pick any topic, but for the purpose of this video I chose health. So after you choose the health topic, you can literally scroll through so many different articles about health, COVID-19. So I just picked any random article that I saw, so I picked this one. After you've picked your article, what I want you to do is that I want you to copy this entire article, you guys. So this is very easy to do. All you need to do is pick a word, select all, and copy it. So after you've done that, guys, now you have an article. But a lot of people may be asking, but isn't that forgery? Aren't I stealing an article? Well, I'm going to show you another website where you can literally copy and paste the article you just took from Google News, and they will rewrite it in their own words, so it'll technically belong to you. So after that, guys, I want you to go to a website called Spinbot, and this is an article spinning, text rewriting, content creation tool where all you need to do is copy and paste an article and they will rewrite it. So click on the I am not a robot, and you see that article that you just copied from Google News. I'm going to paste it right now. After I'm done pasting it, guys, I need to scroll down and I'm going to click on the go button, and it's just going to generate it automatically. As you can see, I'm going to press the go button and it's going to load for a few seconds, and as soon as I done that, look at the new article, guys. It says here rewritten text. It is the exact same text but written differently. So no news company, nobody can ever accuse you of copying anything, because you cannot copy news. You know what I'm saying? You can only copy word for word text, but this is a text that you wrote in your own words, so nobody could sue you for anything. This belongs to you, uniquely to you, to do as you wish with it. So after you have done that, guys, now it is time to copy this text and make sure you have copied it exactly the way that it is, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. So after you have completed everything that I've told you to do, I want you to go on a website called eatingwell.com writer's guide. On this website, you can literally get paid to submit articles, and the best part about it is that you can get paid $1 per word. So if you copy an essay that is 1,000 words, or rather an article that is 1,000 words, you could make $1,000. It is legit, guys. Pure submit and offer. You can literally do this. The only thing they require is authentic material, and since I showed you Spin Up and I showed you that website, all you need to do is just take a trending article anywhere on any site, make sure that it's health related. It doesn't even need to be about eating healthy. If it's just related to something about health, or maybe COVID-19, just like I showed you earlier in the video, copy and paste it, rewrite it in your own words, and you can just submit it here, guys, and you can start getting paid. I don't want to go through all of the long paragraphs. I think you guys can do that in your own time. I don't want to waste your time. I just want to give you all the tools, and you guys can do with that as you please. Anyways, guys, thank you for tuning in to Dollar Influencer. Make sure to hit that like and that subscribe button. 26th November is coming very soon. It is November right now, guys, so 25 more days left to go, guys, and you might just be the special winner of the 1,000 rand. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace. Love y'all.